Hello everybody, this is Frank with Simply Bananas. Welcome back. This is going to be the last banana report of 2021. And I wanted to show you, I've got a few of these beautiful Rajapuri bananas. They're delicious. I had one earlier. Unfortunately, the raccoons or the possum has been getting them, but we're going to harvest these at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to it. Let's take a look over the fence. These are Michael's bananas. They're ice creams. He's got a few that may or may not ripen. If you can take a good look, you can see that nearly all my bananas have been affected at some point by cold weather. But anyway, these are of course the Rajapuris. We just had a big flower open right there. They're pretty nice looking. Then we've got another one here. Moving on down the line, down here to the gold fingers. We've harvested quite a few of these. I've got one more group left to harvest right here. That's a nice big flower hanging there at the end. Anyway, those look good. Down here past the border lawns, we've got a big hornet's nest. Actually not hornets, but they're yellow jackets that are living right down in there. See where that shadow is, that's where they live. On down, we've harvested some of these Orinocos, the tall Orinocos. Got some more Orinocos here. A little bunch of these right here. Another bunch of Orinocos. These, of course, are the, I call them pink ladies. I've had to chop quite a few of them down. But the big exciting news from this season is that finally, if you can look right up there, I don't know how good you can see it, but I finally got a rack of these Candarians or the Candarians. So that's pretty cool. This plant, actually a couple of them, have severe hurricane damage. They've just been leaning up against this frame over the deck for the last 2 years. So they're doing fine. They probably will not make it, however, but they did finally flower and we got a bunch of bananas. This, of course, you can see that one right there. This is a Basjoo, which is the Japanese fiber banana. It's got an interesting flower. It's not quite as yellow as most of them, so maybe there's some type of cross-pollination going on with this. This, of course, is a Satsuma orange or tangerine. Really one left. Pretty good size. I'm not going to pick it quite yet. Because we like to leave them on the plant as long as possible so they don't rot inside the house. Over here, back to the Sabas, we've got a pretty nice rack right there. But after we had so many last year, this is the only one that seems to have produced any fruit, I believe. As we go around and look and see. Now, of course, I don't see any more. Sorry about that. Airplane. Wow. There's one. It's kind of a small one. Oh, they all fell. Well, that's one way to do it. And these are your beautiful Rajapuri bananas. They are delicious. I mean, they are really delicious. And it's really unusual to be harvesting them so late in the year. Again, it's December 27th, 2021. If the weather stays warm like this, we may get one more harvest. Happy New Year, everybody.